Wait. You wanna change your Land Cruiser engine oil and you don't know how to do it, huh? You know what? That's pretty easy, guys. I'm V16 Mustafa. Stick it out until the end. Consider hitting that subscribe button and the like button as well. So let's get started. Here we go, guys. Look. It's a Land Cruiser V8 diesel engine. It takes 10 liters of engine oil and it produces 250 horsepower. So guys, we are under the car, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the shell first, then we'll be able to open the drain plug. Look at this, guys. You can see dirt all over the shell. After we remove the shell cover, all we need is a 40mm box and a ratchet to open the drain plug like so. In the situation like this, guys, we have to be very careful because the old oil is very hot and it might suddenly drain, and we have to cover our hands with something. Otherwise, it may cause some damages, you know. After we drained all the old oil from the car, guys, now it's time to change the engine oil filter. But wait a minute, guys, here is the difference between a high quality engine oil filter and the low quality engine oil filter. The black one is from Toyota company. It's the high quality one. Look at it's very heavy, you know, the iron is thick. Look at the top, it's clear. Look at the design, guys, and look at the next one design. It's very light, guys. The iron is not that thick as the black one. As I showed you guys, it's a high quality engine oil filter, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten it in there. It's very important, guys. You have to be sure that you tighten it very smoothly, otherwise it may find some leaks. Well, so far, guys, we have done these things. We drained the previous oil, we changed the previous oil filter, and you know what time it is?
Disco time!
It's time to change the fuel filter. As you can see, guys, the fuel filter has tightened by 2 bolts, and by using 12mm box, we can easily remove them just like that. After we open the bolts, now it's time to remove the income pipe, just like that. And look at this, guys, we have completely removed the fuel filter. As the same manner, guys, here is the difference between a high quality fuel filter and the low quality fuel filter. The last one is the high quality fuel filter. Look at the design, it's clear. You can feel that this one is the real one. Just look at that, guys. On the other hand, we have a low quality fuel filter. You can actually feel it. Look at the metal, it's very light, guys. Look at the iron, it looks very dirty. That was all the difference between a high quality and the low quality fuel filter. And there you go, guys. Look at the previous engine oil. Look at the dirt all over the oil filter, and look at the fuel filter as well. Oh my god, I don't want to say something. Now the last word that we have to finish it, guys, is just add the new oil. And we are done, guys. I'm V16 Mustafa, I'm in Afghanistan, and if you want to get more acquainted with the car culture in Afghanistan, I provide some technical videos about the cars, some tips and tricks about the cars, and I will be happy to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Sub me, bro. Ciao.